What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I saw this style on Rowland, and I thought to myself, I have to recreate this on Locs. So today, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. To start this style, we're going to begin with sectioning, okay? The first thing you want to do is put your hair in a total of 4 ponytails. Rowland has 4 ponytails in this style. She has one at the top, right on the crown, okay? She has one on the side, directly on the side of the head. Then she has one directly on the back. So basically your parting is ponytail in the back, ponytail on the side, ponytail at the very top of the crown. Then we have another ponytail right here. Once you get your ponytails into place, we're gonna go ahead and move to the next step, which is lock styling techniques. The lock styling techniques we're gonna be using here are barrel roll and lock. So we're gonna start here with this ponytail. I'm going to leave right here at the top of the screen how to barrel roll, so definitely check out this video before you get started if you are unfamiliar with how to barrel roll, but we're going to walk through this one. We're going to start with the lock, and you simply start wrapping, okay? Make sure that you are overlapping that black rubber band so that you won't be able to see it, and we're going to just start wrapping. Now, when you are doing a barrel roll, okay, it does not have to be tight, all right? You don't have to pull and wrap it around the locks tight like it's squeezing. No, just simply wrap it gently, okay? That will also allow you some flexibility in how you want to bend this barrel roll. So, and the next step we do when we're barrel rolling came to the end here. We're going to pick up a new lock that goes down, continue, okay? Wrapping. All right, again, we're wrapping very easy, not tight, just literally placing it. We're not pulling it. We're not putting any type of strain on the lock. We're just wrapping it around very gently, very easy. Now, I'm going to turn her around because what we're going to do here is measure where we want to stop our barrel roll. As you know, in the style that Rowland has, it's right here on the screen, her barrel roll stops about right at her ear, just about under her ear at her jawline. So we're going to stop the barrel roll there. We're going to secure it with a rubber band. So, secure that. Now, we might as well do the rest of our barrel rolls since we're going to go ahead and barrel roll. Continue. Remember to overlap that rubber band so that you can see it. And we're going to wrap. Remember not to put any strain on the lock as you are wrapping, okay? So, right now, we wrap. I think we've come to the end. I'm going to turn her around here. And in the style that Rowland had, I believe it stopped about here. I believe the one on this side was just a tad bit longer than the one on the other side. So I'm going to come just a little bit more. I'm going to wrap a few more times, and then I'm going to end it. I think I'm going to stop just there because it wasn't a lot, but it was longer by a little. So I just wrapped it about 1 or 2 more times. We have have. See how this one is slightly longer than this one? And I believe that's how the style is. We're gonna move on to the rest of our barrel rolls. Now we're at the top ponytail. I'm gonna grab a lock from the back, okay? And we're gonna wrap around. Make sure you cover that rubber band. All right, just like so. And continue to wrap. All right. Now this top one that we're wrapping, you see how I'm holding it? You wanna try and hold it like this while you're wrapping it so that you can center the barrel roll, okay? And you can kind of control the bend of the barrel roll as you hold it like this and continue to wrap. By all means, do what works for you. This happens to work for me, so that's why I'm suggesting it to you. Maybe it'll work for you guys too. So I'm just going to continue to wrap this around very gently. Remember, we are not wrapping this really tight, okay? We're just wrapping it. No tension on the locks, okay? We're just wrapping it around. We're not going to like pull it, you know? We're just going to wrap it gently. And remember, that helps with the bend, how you're going to bend the barrel roll, okay? So continue to wrap. I'm showing you guys where I'm stopping the barrel roll, at what part of your face, I should say, you would want this to hang. I'm not sure who would actually wear this style, but I thought this was a pretty cool style just to do on locks, you know? I love doing those. Taking styles that I see on celebrities or styles that are not necessarily for locks and recreating them with locks. So I think I'm going to stop just about there, because if you know on the style of Kelly Rowland, hers stopped just about at her eye level. Just about the eye level. I'm just going to go down a little bit because I think it's just a little bit under the eye. So I'm just going to continue my barrel roll. Okay, about to overlap. That one got shorter. Just continue down a little bit with the barrel roll. All right. Let's see. Yep, I think I'm gonna just come up. I think I went down a little bit too far, so I'm gonna come back up. Right. I think I'm gonna stop just about there. Barrel rolls, we're going to go ahead and do lock petals at the end of each one of our barrel rolls. And if you don't know how to do lock petals, check out my video right here at the top of the screen, how to do lock petals. Okay.